Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my Jamaican salt mackerel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is my frying pot that I'm gonna cook my salt mackerel in. I have some tomatoes, some scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, some onion, some scallion, and I also have my bell peppers. So what I did, I went ahead and just pre-cook my salt mackerel, as in, you know, you want to cook it at least 3 times to just remove the excess salt from it. All right, I went ahead and I also cut up all of my vegetables for my salt mackerel, and please note that I went ahead also and deboned my salt mackerel. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fry up the onion and the garlic in a small amount of oil. It might need some more, but if it does, then we will just add it as we go along. All right, and of course, you know, you don't want your onion and all of those vegetables to be too soft because you want it to be crunchy when you're having your salt mackerel. So of course I'm gonna go in and add my tomatoes, my scotch bonnet pepper, my bell pepper, and I will also go ahead and add my scallion. Again, you don't want this to be too soft. All right, and just in case you guys have mixed vegetables at home, you can always add a small amount of mixed vegetable to your salt mackerel. So now I'm going to go in and add my deboned salt mackerel, and I will also add just a small amount of vegetable oil. All right, you guys can always go in and add virgin oil if you have extra virgin oil at home. All right, and I will also add a small amount of black pepper. Guys, you always want to ensure that you add black pepper and also scotch bonnet pepper to your salt mackerel. All right, that will kind of cut out all of the rawness. Or if you want, you can always go ahead and add just a small amount of vinegar. That will help to cut out majority of the rawness from your salt mackerel. So basically I'm going to leave this for roughly about 4 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product. And I will also serve this up with some dumpling and some sweet potatoes. All right, so stay tuned for all of that. This is really easy and simple, and I hope you guys try it this way. And remember to leave the comment and let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, so this is my salt mackerel. As I said earlier, I'm gonna serve this up and show you guys the final product in a minute. And there you have it, the final product of my Jamaican salt mackerel, all ready to consume. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home. Remember to subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to leave a comment. And guys, remember to follow me on all social media platforms. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.